options for a loan or a mortgage. But there's different things that we talk about, like Sarita just asked, in terms of your down payment, determining your budget. And this is where your mortgage broker is going to look at all of your finances and give you the best options, talk about your credit score, and get you pre-approved. Does anyone know what a pre-approval is for your mortgage? Or heard of that term?
Does it make it easier if you find a home that you like and you're pre-approved?
Absolutely. So pre-approval is super important for multiple reasons. One, it tells us your budget. So that's always one of the most important reasons to do it at the beginning, so we know what we're working with, because the mortgage broker is going to pre-approve you for a certain budget. So that's step one that we always need at the beginning. Step two is, with your offer, we submit the pre-approval, which is basically your proof of funds. So you're showing the seller, hey, I'm already approved. I've already got this budget. I'm good to go. Here's my proof of my funds. So that is supposed to go with the purchase agreement. It doesn't have to, but it certainly makes it look stronger if it's ready to go with the offer. The other thing to consider is that sometimes transactions move really fast, and especially homes that are in high interest areas. So you want to be ready to go. So like, let's say, Carrie, you saw a house and you're like, oh, this is the one, this is the dream house I want to put my offer in today, but I don't have your pre-approval yet, and we have to wait a day or two. In that time, the seller could accept another offer. So that's why it's so important just to have it ready to go. And then I work directly with the mortgage broker to get that letter to go with the offer.